today's art class, we're going to learn about jellyfish. If you're new to my channel, my name is Chris Fitz, and this is my super simple art class for kids. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel so you're in the know for all the new upcoming art classes. Let's get started. Go get your supplies. You're going to need a black marker or a pen, a piece of paper, and some colors. And if you need a little bit of extra help, there is a free tracing guide available on my website. Click the link below to download. All right, let's draw. First, take your marker and we're going to draw an upside down rainbow shape. Then start at one end of the shape. We're going to close it. This is going to be the jellyfish cap or the head. Take your marker, start at the bottom of the head, and we're going to draw some squiggly lines towards the bottom of your paper. These are going to be your tentacles. You can make them long, short, bumpy, loopy. Put them in any direction. This is your artwork and have fun with it. I think it's pretty cool that jellyfish tentacles never get tangled in the ocean. Did you know that jellyfish don't have brains, bones, eyes, or hearts? Jellyfish don't have eyes, but because we're drawing a cartoon, it's okay. I'm gonna draw two circles right next to each other in the middle of the head. Add two dots in the centers. And you can color those in with a color later, or you can leave them black. Add a little smile towards the bottom. And then I like to add some lines for texture. Just take your marker and draw them along the ends. And then you can fill it in with some dots. Did you know that jellyfish spit water from their mouths to propel themselves? Give yourself a pat on the back, you did it! Now it's time to color. Did you know that jellyfish eat shrimp, crab, fish, and tiny plants? That's a lot of food! Did you know that jellyfish are made up of 98% water? That's so cool. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you had just as much fun as I did. Let me know below what you think we should name our drawing. If you'd like a chance to be a featured artist every Friday, make sure you tag Fitz Art Clips when you upload a picture of your artwork. And when you subscribe to my channel, make sure you hit that notification button so you're in the know of all the upcoming art classes. And lastly, if there's something you want to learn about and draw, like and comment below. See you next time.